we're going to continue. We're going to continue off. As you noticed, I tried to run the generator, but there was a problem. It seems like that the potentiometer, one of the potentiometer blew. So something happened to this potentiometer over here, and it actually it blew, and it wasn't running. So I don't really know why it blew, why it actually is not working anymore. But I changed the pod from 500 to actually 200. Well, first to 100 and then to 200. So yeah. So now. So anyway. So I was telling you that I was going to be using the universal. I actually took the universal motor out right there. Well, there's many universal motors over here. There's plenty of motors and another generator there, so on, and three-phase motors there. But anyways, yeah. So that's the universal motor that was on it that I took off because that was getting hot. I don't know the reason why it's getting hot. I had a fan in front of it. But anyways, besides that point. So now I'm actually moving with the induction motor, and I actually put the fan that I homemade made it myself. Anyway, so it'll be spinning, and while it's spinning, it'll be blowing actually air back into the induction motor and cooling it off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this fan behind it in the box over here that I'm showing you. So the goal is, I'm taking this. I want to show you something. This is my new motor that I'll be working with. This is a hyperdrive drum motor, and yeah. And then I got this other actually motor over here. That's from a single shot magic bullet, and so on. So there's a variable frequency drive. What's going to be that I'm going to try that out with the hyperdrive. But anyway, so there's you know, you gotta keep busy, right? And you gotta so anyway, so this is what it's gonna be like. I'm gonna be hooking it all up in minutes here, but I'm gonna show you just a little bit of how that's gonna be looking like. So this is the way it's gonna be. I'm gonna have to attach it and all that kind of stuff to there. And I'll get back to you and I'll let you know, but then I'll try to run it and spin it and take it from there, alright? But that's what happened. I wasn't able to run the universal motor that was here, and so I had to troubleshoot and find out why was it not working, and the potentiometer that was actually hooked up to the universal motor wasn't working. So I figured out all that, and it took me a day basically to reconfigure this, and I had to drill some more holes and into the platform, get it all nice and straight and lined up, and now I'm just putting it all back together again, and I'll get ready to spin it, and we'll continue from there on in, and I'll show you what exactly going on. I'll take you through another little step over here of my my workshop over here, basically, of what I'm doing and all that stuff. If you want to do this thing, you're going to have to do a lot of tests and stuff like that, but it's all about the study, it's all about the test. But I got an idea with a variable frequency drive over here. I got an idea, since these motors only run on DC. This is an AC three-phase variable frequency drive controller, and but I'll tell you what I'm going to be doing shortly. But stay tuned. We'll get back to the generator over here, 950 watts, and I'm going to hook it all back up together again, put the hose clamps back on it again, and actually bolt the bolts through here and get it all lined up and straightened all out, and everything's running, and then I'll spin it and I'll come back and I'll show you the results of that. Alright, but it is a process. I don't want to hold the camera in my hands while I'm working. It would be nice if I had actually somebody here to film me going through this, but steps are steps, obviously. Yeah. So I'll get back to you and I'll let you know how things are going to go once I'm ready to turn it and spin it. Alright?